So Elon Musk believes he can keep screwing the people that buy his cars. He's removing and trying to disassemble Medicaid, Social Security, and all other derived benefits people have paid for. These are not handouts. These are not give-me's. And that's all he's looking for, is short, quick wins. He doesn't actually look at anything. Guess what, Elon? The people you're trying to screw are also the educated, the ones that make maybe $60,000+ a year, the ones who buy Teslas and use Starlink. Seriously? You're going to screw the people that actually purchase your products. Wow. Talk about not knowing your base. Seriously? People, wake up. Elon's trying to sell you down the river, and you don't have to buy his products. You don't have to make him rich. Just don't. Boycott everything he has. He doesn't need to be having contracts that are already provided by other companies, Verizon and things like that. He's actually going in and assuming other people's contracts. It's wrong. He's conflicted. He shouldn't be anywhere near the government. Nor should Trump. If you guys agree, like this video, help me out, push me forward. I want to make sure that we level the playing field, because you know what? Us people as educated individuals who semi know what's going on, that go beyond the surface, who actually care and can't be whitewashed and sold a load of crap. We need to band together. Now's the time, before they steal our government, before they steal our people, before they ship all of our people overseas or somewhere else. We need to stand up, get smart, and talk to your politicians.